showing the three different ways of doing it: the utility doing it, the special purpose entity like the LLCs, or the nonprofit where you just have a bunch of donors. So what I'm thinking about for the Johnson City thing is the PPA, the Power Purchase Agreement, where essentially partner with a financing company to back the project, fund the build of it, then we would build it and operate it and sell the electricity to, we could sell the electricity to end users, or we could sell it on the open market. And that is probably one of the cleanest ways to do it, because now the Power Purchase Agreement financier can take all the tax credits. You know, they have a big tax appetite. All right, and of course, another way to do is Solarize Madison, which you're going to hear about more, I guess, next time, right? That's a pretty cool idea, where you just simply, it's kind of almost like a solar cooperative, you know, where you decide to make a specific effort to get X many houses solar and really promote it. And it's good because the promotion is the key thing. You know, you really got to get the word out. Okay, I'm going to go back one here. If you want to get involved with what's going on in New York, there's a couple of things going on. There's legislative stuff. There's the Solar Jobs Act, which is in play now. That would set a goal of 3,000 megawatts of solar by 2021. So that's a lot more than the governor's program. The governor's program is a 3-year program to get us to, I don't know, 500 or 600 megawatts. But we want more. So first of all, we need a long-term plan, not just a 3-year plan. Not just an election cycle plan. We need a long-term plan. So the Solar Jobs Act has a goal to 2021 of 3,000 megawatts and some kind of performance-based incentive, you know, a per kilowatt hour incentive that you would be guaranteed for 10 or 15 years. So this is similar to what Germany has, similar to what New Jersey has, so some kind of hybrid of what those places have to grow the industry steadily. And you talk about jobs. I mean, we're talking open-ended amount of jobs for solar, open-ended. The gas guys, they're going to come in here and they'll say, oh, well, we got 10 years worth of gas, or we got 20 years worth of gas. Well, then what's going to happen? Poof, they're gone. That's fossil fuel. Fossil fuel is a boom-bust cycle when it comes to jobs in towns. So this is really open-ended. Okay, so you can bug your legislators about the Solar Jobs Act. Call them up, tell them, support the Solar Jobs Act. If you want more information, email me, I'll email you the information about it. The other way you can be involved is with the Public Service Commission. The Public Service Commission makes rulings about what laws mean. So for example, we have the remote net metering law right now. In the remote net metering law, it specifically says that farms can participate in remote net metering. And yet, I just got a ruling from the PSC that says, that essentially says the law doesn't say that. Now, I'm not sure who translated their law into English. I don't know, there's something wrong, and I'm trying to figure out what this means, because it clearly says that. It's not fuzzy. You know, sometimes in laws things are interpretable, but this isn't. You know, it's very clear in there. It says farms can participate. So if you want to get involved in some of these PSC cases, you email Jacelyn Brilling, she's the secretary, and there's her email address, and ask to be added to the list of interested parties for a specific case. The remote net metering case number is up there. Okay, and there's a lot of these cases, and I urge you to get involved, because otherwise, you know who's driving the bus up there at the PSC. It's called the utilities. They got people paid the big bucks to get whatever they want. All right, so Public Service Commission, that means the public should be involved.